Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use templates in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, we will be needing to start a new project and we will need just to click on this plus sign so we can add other media to our projects. But in our case, we want just to use a template and you can do that from an inspiration. And basically the type of templates that you can use, it's only audio. It's not like you can import a whole video or a whole templates with editings and stuff into your Instagram edits. But all you will be able to do is to import some audio and then you can add some media to it and it will be synced automatically with uh, Instagram edits. And from here, you can simply scroll for your media and you can choose after that like this audio. By clicking on use audio, you will be able to use this audio with clips from your gallery. And here you will choose all the footage that you want to edit within this media. And I'm just going to choose these three media. I'm just going to click on done. And here it will automatically sync my video with this audio that I have chosen. And that's the only type of templates that is used or available into Instagram edits. So from here, you will have a synced audio, and now you can add some kind of filters to your videos if you want to add more vibrance or whatever. And let's go here, and basically you can add some effects to your video, you can add filters, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.